Traditional RADIUS sends authentication traffic over UDP with minimal encryption. When your network spans public internet or SD-WAN links, that creates serious vulnerabilities. RadSec changes the model entirely. RadSec is a protocol that wraps radius data within a TLS tunnel. It uses mutual TLS, where both the network access server and radius server verify each other's certificates during handshake. For legacy devices that don't support RadSec natively, a RadSec proxy receives UDP RADIUS and forwards it over secure TLS connections. Remember, RadSec equals TCP port 2083 plus mutual TLS. It moves from UDP to TCP, changes the port, and replaces shared secrets with certificates. When troubleshooting, check the clock and check the chain. Most failures come from NTP synchronization issues or missing root and intermediate CA certificates in the trust store. Read the full guide at purple.ai